Do you want to repost a video on TikTok? You can repost a TikTok video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To repost a video on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, scroll through your For You or following feed to find the video you want to repost. Now, tap on the share icon on the right side of the video. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the menu options, tap on Repost. Once reposted, the video will appear in the feeds of your friends and followers with a small note that you reposted it. You can also tap on the edit icon after reposting to add a caption, comment, or context if you want.